Napo is in a very, very big trouble. Abranti be or a young pandit on Onua TV, known as Innocent Che, aki kana dream at the channel.
Your friends say, Obi to say Napo. They say, Sanka easy for your mra. Say Obia to a bar, and say Obetimi, no, come and bet me to a bar, or to an Akramaya to a Napo cannot even convince or Nankasana to go for NPP. I'm telling you, he cannot. And when we say these things, people think it's a fact. Because he cannot even convince his own dog to vote for the NPP or himself. Because he's so arrogant, full of himself, he doesn't know how to talk. And you wanted to impose this guy on us as a vice president. Jamamufi say, yeah, Jimmy. Ghana no nyamudio. I'm telling you, the young people of this country own this country.
So now power has changed hands. Enti Onua winning election, talking about NDC4, but having a lot of faithfuls are those going into opposition, which is the NPP. Now there is this young guy who has taken over social media by surprise with the analysis and the statement I will make it on air. Abranti a friend Innocent Che on Onua TV or Kikana dream at the chair Napo. Napo is extremely arrogant. Unim kasa umbushe. Napo NHS send the NPP to opposition. Onua wonder the leaders of NPP who actually chose Napo as running mate for Bawizi. Napo etimi jina on stage. Not just the leaders to say Osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah attempt openly. Just disrespected Kasa anyhow. We can't be forced on us as our vice president. Now you know there is nothing appealing about him. This is coming from Innocent Che and any analysis will make it well. What kind of point? A lot of people believe say a freedom of speech. Now so some believe say he was super rude towards Napo. Answer na ankasa the judgment ebe bano. Muma yenkwohwe some of the analysis why yeba yebeto amso.
Na President Akufo-Addo de Nyankopon ne bedi no owo gym afa na opega na de onyanwie ye. Yes, the God that will deal with Akufo-Addo is still at the gym. I opega na de onyanwie ye because he will not go scot free. Debi. Oh yeah, ready of premier. Because me I believe say nema oman enye ade a yedidi agro. Because the way this gentleman has toyed with this country, the way I'm wasting the resources of this country. Say President Mahama ye mistake. No, can say we will let them go. I think say his tenure may end early. Because that is the reason why Ghanaians voted for that particular change. I can't just say Ghana for unanimously voted for change so that this band of criminals will be held responsible and accountable for their crimes. What one I can't say what will be time will be no. So what's now incisive analysis of damage these people have caused to this country. Indeed, we need to do this and make sure that we sanitize state institutions. And again, institutions are over the years. I added the foundational way a democracy so. Now we are ya faswa ya cracking down state institution trust and electoral commission Adentina Manfoko BCG, various your friends and electoral commission offices. Because people didn't trust them. It's about trust. Because among for yes, so people were there very aggressive and very combative because they knew that the electoral commission, but this is a state institution that is supposed to be fair, firm, and resolute, or demonstrated that neutrality. So we didn't need this kind of your friend saying standoff. But because people didn't trust them, they were there and we saw what happened. That is what I'm saying, said. Some microphone should pack their bag and baggage, then they should leave. Then they be going forward. Now I don't want to dwell much on the past. I think say the future is what we need to keep in. Because my culture say a celebration. The what they say, bana ubibidie binti na wunya na wani ajia. Then you are making a mistake because you see, and the politics na happen no. Akwasa wuti TV so obi a show. governance space, you know, and the public platforms now, people can get information anytime, analyze everything. It is not about NDC, NPP. It is about Ghanaians have given power to President Mahama. Do the right thing. We are right now. Yenya for will be the papa no about then you criticize the person. No, that is not what we do.
And until my boys now, more a custom KJT, it's a new Mocasano. Only Sabin Prediasa, Untumu Huehi, Untumu boys. I want to make call for NAA cleaners for her.
Okay.
Untumu boys, NAA security for her. In Tama, as a Huehi, to see some KJT toilets never hold Munina. I mean, it is not right.
Yes.
Munya would say, I can't just less than Bosome. This too shall pass.
Yes.
Munya would say for because Kofi for here. Sampai NAA the chairman or the board chair of the KJT market. If you have anything to do, sometimes there is some money in the daily. You can feed for. Now, we can locate up the KJT now. It is not right. Yeah. And when we say yes, and is it surprisingly, or money would mean KJT any single contract ever since almost started some year for about 7 years. Or no money any single contract. Every year be an call for the praho. Every year be an call for the clinic. Every year be an call for the security honorable. And they do not have a single contract with them. In Germany, who are you? And I'm a yes, but Munya would say, I mean, market a buy a japade, no from Musanko Kano, Munya would say, Mrakwanso or Mejemu, Book of Yushimua, Namu will be a discovery and court, and then prosecuting the back the simple. That's from Jimra.
What is a metro mass buses?
Yes, and what you trying to condemn?
Yes, serious.
I mean, what kind of madness is this?
A two teams say. Abra yewura ba omi aba bonten be so de ka kon de say na dana najo e na omode machine kosisi bus ho asoso esisi so atwetwa bibia kotoma engine kura no a esisi buses ni mu no oma koton it is not right
sa company na wa boazi na na do krato ono na so omoton ne condemn
Kofijuma
omoton ne condemn you see Mahama, you have a lot to do.
I think I don't think that you hear a lot of reforms going forward. I better take care of some of these things because yentiminya mining tosa keke say we babe ye we no afa no di we ba no why say no afa no di. There are a lot of things that we need to do, structural reformations in the entire government architecture. Sebeya ye betimi put certain we be in line. But who say on mine no nimba bia over the years. Across our mind that autopilot, we need to start and build a foundation, and that foundation, must give your friend say, "I'm for assurance." Say there is hope for the future. Your friend say, "Obi to say Napo." Let's say, "Sanka easy for your mra." Say Obi to aba. Say Obi to me. No, Kraman bet me to aba. Or to another Kraman to. Napo cannot even convince or one Kasana Kraman to go for NPP. I'm telling you, he cannot. And when we say these things, people think it's a fact. Because he cannot even convince his own dog to vote for the NPP or himself. Because he's so arrogant, full of himself, he doesn't know how to talk. And you wanted to impose this guy on us as a vice president. Jamamufi say, Jimmy, Ghana no nyamudio. I'm telling you, that the young people of this country own this country. They control this country.
Yes,
they are well educated. They understand what is happening. You see, no. It's true, Captain.
Just send a message every family.
Oh,
can no be anti.
What kind?
Oh, can no be anti. Oh, can no be anti. Can no be anti.
That's how betting I can.
Can the kind was what you brought for can no be anti.
Crash ya odi awa kan wade
me who cry
also Jamie where from this guy his words are 2 points loss
that point being say what about Kraman to be na point being conversation one Kraman on
Captain, you need to get serious and actually say level I could do here no. They didn't respect anybody. So me, I'm gonna say MPP Council of Elders not clear. No. There was a time I was asking, say Council of the Elders. No, I am crying for because sometimes you wonder.
What's the Council of Elders?
I am crying so we am penning for no Council of Elders because how can any person on his right senses will conclude say, oh, Napo I can't get it because you see, Baumia may have his own weaknesses. The reason why we appoint vice president is that you may have weaknesses because the Jane bit me Muhammad to me yet. because you bring people from different angles so that they complement you to make you a whole. That is the whole essence of vice president. But depending on who find as a vice president, the problem at the no hono. And such a kind oh, win him that Ghana for
every day.
Kasa. He doesn't know how to talk. He doesn't respect. Or not necessarily your friend is saying, they don't deserve to come anywhere close to where governance is being undertaken. These are the people we are talking about.
So yes, innocent analysis our making taking social media by surprise, and I just say share here. Now a lot of people say you should slow down, as a senior or kasa disrespectfully. We don't talk to our leaders like that. Some are pushing him and say he's doing well, especially the youth. Almost say he should speak the truth to power on both sides, whether NPP or NDC. Therefore, after watching this video, what is your take? Do you think Sir Branty way over speedy and now say he is on point? Vimbas TV so and now we share video on YouTube. Unyan subscribe, subscribe, then turn on your post notification.
Vimbas TV.